Welcome to Grill House Kitchens. I'm Chef Maria, and today I'm walking our newest team member through everything you need to know to keep our kitchen safe, our food fresh, and our guests protected. This is Sam. Sam just joined the Grill House team and is starting the first shift. Every new team member goes through this training before touching any food. No exceptions. We start with the most important habit in any kitchen, hand washing. It sounds simple, but done wrong, it puts every single guest at risk. Let me show Sam exactly how we do it at Grill House. Step 1. Wet your hands with warm running water. Step 2. Apply enough soap to cover both hands completely. Step 3. Scrub thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. That means palms, backs of hands, between fingers, and under your nails. Step 4. Rinse all the soap off under clean running water. Step 5. Dry with a single-use paper towel. Never shake dry or wipe on your apron. At Grill House, we wash our hands before every food task, after handling raw proteins, after touching our face, and after any break. Sam steps up to the sink right away. Chef Maria watches and nods. This is the habit that protects everyone, the team, the guests, and the business. Next up, temperature storage. Getting this wrong is one of the fastest ways to cause foodborne illness. At Grill House, we follow strict temperature rules for every ingredient that comes through our kitchen. Raw meat at Grill House is always stored between 28 and 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the coldest zone in your refrigerator. The danger zone runs from 40 to 140 degrees. In that range, bacteria multiply rapidly. Raw meat must never sit in that zone for more than 2 hours total. Fresh produce is stored at 35 to 40 degrees. And here is a rule Sam must never forget: raw meat always goes on the lowest shelf. Produce and dairy go above. This prevents any drips or leaks from contaminating ready-to-eat food. Picture the walk-in cooler like a tower. Ready-to-eat foods at the top. Whole cuts of meat in the middle. Ground meats below that. And raw poultry at the very bottom. Every shelf has a purpose. Now for one of the most common causes of kitchen illness, cross-contamination. This is when bacteria from one food transfers to another. At Grill House, our biggest weapon against this is our color-coded cutting board system. The rule is simple. Red board, raw meat only. Green board, vegetables and produce only. These boards never switch roles. They never share a surface. And they are never washed together without proper sanitizing in between. Here is exactly what we never do. Using the red meat board for vegetables even for a second is a contamination event. It does not matter if the surface looks clean. Bacteria are invisible. The correct approach is straightforward. Always reach for the right color board before you start. Sanitize every board after every use, not just at the end of a shift. And store them separately. Stacking a red board on a green board undoes everything. Sam gets it right. Green board for the vegetables. Red board stored separately. Chef Maria doesn't need to say a word. This is the standard at Grill House, and now it's Sam's standard too. Before Sam heads into the shift, let's lock in the key rules. Wash your hands before every food task for at least 20 seconds. Store raw meat between 28 and 32 degrees on the bottom shelf. Keep produce at 35 to 40 degrees, always above raw proteins. And the boards. Red is raw meat, always and only. Green is vegetables, always and only. Sanitize after every use. Store separately. These rules keep Grill House guests safe and keep our team proud of what we serve. Food safety is not a checklist you run through once. It is the standard you hold every single shift. Welcome to Grill House Kitchens, Sam. Now let's get to work.